Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. So in this video, I will share 4 settings which will help you to fix copying too slow in Windows, laptop, or PC. Let's get started. Step number 1 is to disable Windows auto-tuning. For that, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and then click on Run as administrator. Once command executed successfully, close the command prompt. Now move to second step, which is to turn off the remote differential compression. For that, press Win+R to open Run. After that, type Optional Features, and then click on OK. Now here, scroll down till you will see Remote Differential Compression API Support. Just uncheck it, and then click on OK button to save the changes. Once done, now move to third step, which is to enable write caching for USB drives. For that, right-click on Windows icon, and then click on Device Manager. After that, expand disk drives, right-click on your USB drive and then click on Properties. Now move to Policies tab, select Better Performance, and then click on OK to save the changes. Once done, now move to fourth step, which is to enable Optimize Drive Services. For that, search for Services, and then click on it to open Windows Services. Now here, scroll down till you will see Optimize Drives. Double-click on it to open. Here, make sure that Startup Type should be set to Automatic, and then click on Apply button. After that, click on Start button to make this service's status running, and then click on OK button to save the changes. Once you've done all steps, restart your laptop or PC once. Let's check data copying or transferring speed to USB drive. As you will see now, copying take no time to transfer in USB drive. So through these simple steps, you will make copying too fast in Windows. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.